Hey guys, it's Krista. So this video is going to be really informal, and I was really going to try to avoid making this video. I was just going to kind of dive into posting my new content on my YouTube channel, but quite a few of you have asked me, where the heck have I been? What have I been doing? What's been going on with me? So yeah, this video is probably going to be a little bit more ranty, and it's nothing like, I don't know, it's not like official, it's just a little chit chat. But before we even get into the video, you need to be following me on my new Instagram account. If you were following me on my old account, I no longer post on that account. You need to open your phone. Where's your phone? Get your phone. Type in. Hold on. Wait a second. Okay, type in your password first. Go to Instagram and follow me on my new Instagram account. It is Krista_LK. LK is my initials, in case you're wondering, but you probably weren't. But anyways, so I haven't posted a video on here in about 7 or 8 months. I don't know. The last video I posted was like how to pose or how to do posing or something like that. And what was I doing during that time? Nothing really significant happened. I kind of stopped posting because I felt kind of lost about what I want to do with this channel. I knew I wanted to do photography stuff, and that is what I plan to pursue now. But it was kind of scary moving away from hair and actually starting to do the photography type of content. And coming back onto the platform was kind of, it was a struggle because I didn't know if you guys were going to accept my new content. I didn't know if you guys were going to like my new content. I didn't even know if I should continue posting on the same channel or if I should start a new channel. And I have other videos that I filmed that are just like, I filmed them, I edited them, and I never posted them because I felt like as soon as I posted my first video, I was like committing to doing this again. And for a while, when I stopped posting my hair videos and I started posting my photography videos at first, like I was really struggling through making that type of content because I felt so conflicted, because I felt like you guys were wanting something different from me and I wasn't giving that to you anymore. And I know a lot of you guys were like kind of confused about the whole like me cutting my hair and dealing with my anxiety and things like that. But I felt like it was kind of time for me to come back and pursue this because this is what I love to do. And I feel like I'm at a point in my life where either I'm going to continue in my current career or I'm going to pursue my dreams. And being a content creator and doing fashion and photography and just doing like creating content and being creative, like that is what I want to do, and that is what I want to be able to do with my life, and I want to be able to share that information with you guys, and I wanted to be able to share those type of things with you guys. And I just really didn't see myself making hair videos forever. And afterwards, I did have some regrets about leaving Pretty Little Fro, but not regrets in the sense that I saw it like as this opportunity that I kind of was missing out on, and I had all these big ideas for it. Then when I would take a step back, I'd be like, I don't even like doing this. Like, why am I worried about whatever opportunities I missed out on here? Because I wasn't enjoying doing it. But now it's kind of the opposite problem, where it's like, I really enjoy doing this and I really want to do this. I don't know if I can do this. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be successful doing this. And so it's like that thing where you don't have to fear failing if you don't try. So that was kind of the biggest thing that was stopping me, because as long as I didn't post anything, as long as I wasn't doing anything, like I can never actually fail at what my dreams were. But as soon as I start posting and as soon as I start like doing this, like that's when you have the opportunity to fail. So that's pretty much what has taken me so long, just like this really like deep fear I had about failing with doing this. And I realized in 10 years, whether I fail or succeed, like if I didn't do it, I would never know, right? So I don't want to get like too like deep, and like I wasn't, you know, it's pretty much I was scared. I was scared to come back on here, and I was scared to post videos, and I was just scared of trying to do this and failing. So yeah, that's kind of it. I thought I should make this video. I know quite a bit of you have, quite a few, I know that quite a few of you have been following me for a while. When I first started, I was like doing fashion, and when I was Video Little Fro, and since my photography, and you've come with me to my new Instagram account, and I really appreciate all of you and all of the welcome back comments, and just it makes me feel really good that you guys are excited to see me back online, and I'm really excited about that. I do want to be clear that I will not be making hair videos. I have no desire to make hair videos. Maybe one day in the future I'll like randomly make a hair video if I feel really inspired to, but at this point in my life I don't want to focus on that, and that's not the type of content I want to create. Now, I'm not gonna lie, like I still watch other people's hair videos because, you know, we're trying to grow it back. Maybe not, maybe we're gonna cut it. I don't really know what we're trying to do, but right now we're just wearing this hair, and that's what we're gonna do for a while. But yeah, that's just not where I want to focus my time and my content. So yeah, so if you have video suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. I'm gonna focus on photography and building a brand and like kind of lifestyle / mental health. I'm getting more into videography as well, so I want to incorporate that into my content and just making better videos and making more creative content on here. I don't want to get sucked into like being this like like type, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that's kind of it. I'm really glad to be back. I'm glad you guys are glad to see me back. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!